Good morning guys. So welcome to my daily vlog. So right now we're here at Katarungan of Bohol. So we've cleaned this part of land because it's my aunt's lots being built. So yeah, we just clean the bushes, cut the grasses, and install the new water system. So right there is the hoses, or what do you call this, for the drain. So this is the house owned by the previous owner. So it's what's left during the typhoon Odette. And yeah, we will be renovating this house. And I think it's almost, I don't know how square meter is this. I think in my estimation it's 1,000 square meter in all. So sa no planning, we just had a fence of sin, or I don't know how do you call this sin. It's now it's from the rooftop. So we just put woods for the pillar of the fence right here. So there's already fence, a barbed wire. So the previous owner planted miracle fruit. So it's said that it can heal many sickness or diseases. I don't know.
Bulano.
So we'll be looking at the inside of the house. It didn't remain during the typhoon Odette. So the rooftop is this is a new roof being installed, but during typhoon Odette, so there's no roofing, no, because it's been destroyed by typhoon Odette. So it had already electricity, and yesterday. So sa Nubaning, the water district here in Nubay or Wasco had already installed the water system, because it's very important when you live in a new place. Water is very important, you know. So yeah, that's the first priority that you're going to accommodate or give importance. So yeah, there's the previous owner of this lot had planted some, I think 3 coconuts, 1 mango, and 5 coconuts rather. So this fence has already been done yesterday. So it is alongside the road of Katarongan, Barangay Katarongan, I think Purok 2 or Purok 1, if I am not mistaken. So yeah, I think that's it for today's vlog. Out there they're installing a drainage system. You know, it's a 4 inches pipe, so that water can flow continuously, because if we will not put any drainage, so it will be draining, the water will be in this house. So yeah, so I think this would serve as a 10 minutes video. So after 10 minutes I will be ending this vlog. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow also. So, and that will be the time that I will end this video. So I will be continuously making a daily vlog about motivation. Even there are 13 subscribers of our channel that's being unsubscribed to our channel. So it's hard and sad to say, or sad to see that they unsubscribe. I just continue on uploading my videos on our channel, because if we will not continue on uploading something, so the YouTube channel will delete your videos, or there will be no progress in your channel. So you won't earn even cents. So even cents is very important. It could really heal the tiredness that you feel when you make a vlog. So after I went home, so I go home, so I will upload this video. Please, I'm sorry to tell you that I can't not edit my videos for now, because I'm too busy. So I have day jobs to do, and in order to maintain my vlog, that's why every morning I uploaded my thoughts, motivational thoughts on everyday's observations, guys. So that's all I can do for now, and this kind of vlog, documenting our daily tasks of what we do within a day. So yeah, hopefully I could upload it in our channel, our latest tasks that's being done every day. So hopefully I will also upload to my Facebook channel, because I didn't upload it for how many months, and hoping that I will be we could upload again and could start again on uploading videos to our Facebook channel. So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. So thank you and see you in the next video. See you next day. Bye bye.